right, take a look at the electric knife sharpener. Okay, that's cool. So it gives you the instructions right there on the box. So here we got our power supply. It says it's good for 110 to 240 volts. That's good for international domestic, and it outputs 5 volts and 2 amps. And there it is. Oh, nice. So the first thing that stands out is that this feels like an all-metal case on here. That's cool. And it does give you instructions on how to insert the knife, so we don't want to be too steep of an angle, and we don't want to be going straight in, so we want to try to kind of match this curve. And right here it says crude and fine, so this stone in here is going to be doing most of the sharpening, and then this is going to be doing the polishing. And we got our user manual. That's just repeating the same stuff. And we have it again right here on the sharpener, so you're never going to lose it. So that's very nice. So it says we want to have the cutting edge on the right, so like this. That way there's no chance it's going to push the knife back toward us, and if anything, it's just going to pull it away from us. And it says to pull the knife, don't push the knife. So we're going to insert the blade all the way in, and then pull it toward us. We also got some rubber feet on the bottom, and I think that they're also kind of suctiony. They look like suction cups. We got a power switch right here, and the spot for the power supply. And it looks like we also have a spot for scissors. So that's kind of cool. That's cool. So it does kind of stick a little bit. All right. So it does make some noise, but it's not terribly loud because this kind of has a step to it. I'm trying to match just this step. Nice. Woohoo! All right. Okay. Yeah, we'll do the same thing here for the polish. Imagine this is going to take a little bit of practice. Okay. Ooh, that looks really nice. Check out that. That is definitely sharp. That is a beautiful edge. Cool. Taking the foam from the packaging, we'll see how well this guy can cut. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm not going to mess with that. And it says for the scissors, we're going to lay it with the blade facing up right on this edge here. So it's going to look something like this. Okay. That's neat. You can actually see where it started sharpening. It doesn't go all the way to the inside, but this is a part that always needs sharpened anyway. So let's see how that cuts. Oh, wow. That actually just feels sharper. Cool. Yeah, that works a charm. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice sharpener.